1 and 1 plus a Hoops Blaster of 23.77. Let's do this. We're going to find out exactly who picks up the Pelicans in this break by randomizing this list of NBA teams 5 times. Because the Pelicans won't be in that list because they cannot and will not and shall not win themselves on my watch. 5 times. Here we go. 1. Most disputes die and no one shoots. 4. And 5. The top team is the Atlanta Hawks. Good team to pick up. 5 times Hawks on top. We'll get rid of the old randomizer. Who's got the Hawks? Atlanta is Ricardo. Good luck, Ricardo. Most disputes die and no one shoots. Alrighty, here we go. Does Dale have an OnlyFans? No. Hello, Graydon. How are you, buddy? Billy, he buys enough spots to always win them. Here you go. Davis at times. Jabari Parker, Zion Williamson. Silver, Kyrie Irving. Course 2387 is also filling as we speak. Spurs are still left in that one. There's not many left, but Otto Porter Jr., Mikal Bridges, Malik Monk, Red, Trae Young. Nice. Really pretty card, this one. Number 9. Ivica Zubac. Karl Anthony Towns. Oh, God. For some reason, there's a backwards Carl Anderson. And a Mojo Larry Bird. No. In the old, in the last one, he had like 6 teams up there, 4 teams up there. Courtney Lee, Andre Roberson, Dylan Windler, and a silver NBA City of Jared Allen. In the next 1-on-1 break. There's it's number 1387. 2387. Trey again. John Wall, Ja Morant tribute. And a silver Larry Nance. Terry Rozier. Devin Booker. Terrence Davis. And a silver Maxi Kleber. One of Dale's names. Air Gordon. Chris Middleton. Lou Gwentz Dort. And a Mojo Miles Turner. Chris Dunn. De'Aaron Fox. Darius Baisley. And a courtside. Nice LeBron James. So I'll tell you what. We've at least got a good Hoops Premium. Later on tonight, Brent. It's not full yet. Alright. I love not knowing. It's red. What are we dealing with here? I was hoping to see the old timeless moments. Not. I don't know whose head that is. Not bad. 6 of 25 for the Suns. Cameron Johnson. That is very, very nice. I'm a big fan of Cameron Johnson. If anyone wants to buy any of his stuff, hit me. 6 of 25. Cameron Johnson. Nice card there. Congratulations to Taylor Reap. That is true, Rick. No. It's that's Donruss. They're Donruss Blasters football, Owen. Here we go. Oh, it's gold. It's for the Lakers. Oh boy. There are so... I mean, you just want to see. Not bad at all. Gold, 4 of 10. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Now, listen, you're with that sort of card, you see Lakers, you're a 50-50. You know, it could be Dwight Howard, could be Kyle Kuzma. Well, you get something nice like that. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, really nice card. The gold on gold is phenomenal. Congrats, Lakers. Those are